Hello. Today I will show you how to change the date and time in a Windows 11 computer. It's a very easy process. Now there are two different ways how you can do this. The first option is open your Start menu and search for date and time. Then open the first option right over here. After that, over here, the first thing that you have to do is you have to just simply disable the Set Time Automatically function here. Once you disable this option, you will see a new menu will appear right over here. Then just click on Change. And now you can enter your desired time. So let's say, for example, 7:50, and you can also change to AM or PM. You can even change dates here. Then just click on Change. The time and date will be changed, as you can see. So this is the first way of how you can achieve this. Now the next option is just simply right-click on your clock, which is right over here at the bottom right-hand side corner. This small menu will appear in front of you over here. Click on Adjust Date and Time, and that tool will open this menu. And if you want to use the old version of date and time setting, you can also do that. If you simply scroll down in this menu and click on Additional Clocks over here, you will be able to see the old version of date and time settings, which you can change. All you have to do is click on this option. Then you can directly choose your date and time right over here. As you can see, then hit OK, and the date and time will be changed. That's it.